You, a dedicated researcher who has devoted your life to making a positive impact on the world through groundbreaking studies? Do you have an exciting and revolutionary research finding in the field of fisheries and aquaculture that needs to be shared with the international research community? If so, we have an incredible opportunity for you.
In the International Conference on Fisheries and Aquaculture, also known as ICFA 2023, this prestigious event brings together experts and enthusiasts from around the globe, creating a platform for knowledge exchange and collaboration. Submitting your abstract is the first step towards sharing your invaluable insights. ICFA 2023 invites abstracts in various areas, including fishery resource habitats and management, nutrition feed manufacturing, diet formulation, and food conversion efficiency, fishing gears, vessels, and engineering, seafood chemistry, nutrition, and safety, seafood sustainability, certification, and traceability. But conference tracks are not limited to them.
Don't miss this incredible opportunity to present your research findings at ICFA 2023. The impact you can make by sharing your knowledge is immeasurable, so don't hesitate. Visit Aquaconference today and take the first step towards becoming an integral part of the global research community.